Hey guys, it's me again with another Canva tutorial, and for today's video, I will teach you how to create flow transitions in Canva. So first of all, we go to your Canva and search for like a video, a template, or whatsoever. So let's say just we have a video here, then we're just gonna press our video here. So like just choose whatever which video you have, and here, how do we add transitions? So here we can just add a stock videos here of whichever, and maybe add another stock video at the end. So let's say that we have stock videos, three stock videos in this one. So how do we add a flow transition? You can see that from this one we don't have a perfect transition, right? So you're just gonna go here and press the middle and press add transition, and here you can see flow. You can adjust the duration of the transition, let's say 2 seconds or 1 second, and choose to whichever side you want. So I would want the right side, and it will look like something like this. So there we go, and we're gonna apply it to the other one as well. So flow up, rest, and there we go, we had a flow. So that's how easy it is to create flow transitions in Canva. Once again, thank you for watching this video, and I hope that you have learned a lot from today's Canva tutorial. Thank you for watching.